up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to be changing out the front and rear, what's it called, emblems or roundels. What roundels? I don't know if that's what the term is, but we're changing those out. As I already started, I put some painter's tape, so if we have to pry on this, we're hopefully not going to damage the paint. Also, I stuck a little black mark there just to show where the center is. I don't know if it's necessary because I think there's supposed to be two little grommet holes. These are the new ones that are painted, and you see this one has like the two pins, so I'm sure that's what will hopefully align it. But just to be safe, I said it shouldn't hurt just to put a line in case we need it or not. The stuff that we're going to be using, I have my heat gun. These are the new ones that are painted. The outside, if I can show you what it looks like compared. So that's what it looks like. It gets rid of the chrome on the outside edge. These were really nice. I got these from Beamer Posts, the forums. I also have a little pry tool here, a plastic one, and we have this in case there is some double-sided tape. This will cut through it so that we can get it out. So I think the first thing we're going to just heat it up just in case there's any adhesive or double-sided tape. This way it'll make it a little easier to get this off. Well, it takes a while. It's not instant. And be careful when you're using a heat gun. You don't want to overheat it and damage the paint. So it's always a good idea to touch it and make sure it's not too hot. When you get to a point that you feel it's okay, then we could try prying on it. This thing gets hot pretty fast. Let's see if that is enough or not. Now we want to try to get a corner under it.
No way.
No?
No way. No way.
I mean, this worked well on the emblems. Let's see if it'll let us. Oh no. It's gotta be harder than I thought to get under behind there. Okay, that's gonna be harder than I thought. I'm gonna go back to this, see if this will do it. Wow, that is not budging. Woo.
You thought this would be easy.
I thought this was gonna be easy. I mean, this might be too thick. We might need something thinner to get behind there. I mean, everyone else makes it look real easy. Put the tape too much. Okay. Let me look for something thinner.
Let's see, looks for something thinner.
Yeah, push through that. Didn't think it would be this on. what's making it hard is that it's indented. I'm trying to get this in there, and that is not working. What else do we have that can work here? Oh, I saw a little bit of movement. Thought I saw movement. Wow, that is on there. What else can we use?
Go all the way around or no?
So I ended up using a cat claw, or whatever you call it, and trying to get it to get under here. And a little rubber. Oh, I think we're getting gap. I think we made gap.
Just pinch my finger, great.
Why'd you pinch your finger?
Between the plastic and that.
Is it recording?
Yep. You're still. Oh, sorry.
It's alright, it's plastic.
Now I got you.
Get that corner. Just ease a little.
You get the next one.
Okay.
I don't want to put it there. So it looks like it's coming. I think we just gotta go one side and the other.
It looks like it's on something.
Yeah, I think I could feel the dowel. I got my dowel out.
Okay.
You want to use it on that side and twist? This side definitely came out.
Yeah, that side definitely came out. Yeah, how people do it. They make it look so much easier. Oh yeah, I see it. It's coming.
What I did is I jammed it and then turned.
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, good.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
So there's two dowels. So there's no even tape on it.
There's no tape or nothing. Wow. Oh, clean it up with some compound, I guess.
Well, nobody's gonna see that, right?
Yeah, but still clean it up.
All right, so then we don't really need the tape then, right?
Give it a little space, yeah, because the dowel.
Yeah, it has the dowels.
Yeah,
Unless we put it upside down.
That'd be hilarious. You want me to look for some compound?
Yeah. All right, guys. So we were able to get it out. We cleaned it up a little bit. So technically, when someone put the person that we bought this from that does the painting, or who gets this, they put a little bit of double-sided tape. You think so? What do you think, Al? Should we leave the double-sided tape?
Might as well use it. It's there for a reason.
All right.
You know, I don't want them falling off. That's hilarious.
That's true. Man, this 3M double-sided tape, man. It does not. It is hard to get the backing off of it. It is not easy. I got the edge. There we go. Make sure you're not putting it in upside down, because that would suck. Make sure it is right. It is right. And I think we just gotta push it in. What do you think, Al?
Yeah, that looks like it.
Looks like it's right. So make sure we're pressing on the nubs.
Why is the whole car moving forward? That's hilarious.
We got a big hand. What do you think?
Yeah, that's it.
Is that all?
I don't think there's anything else we really need to do. Nice.
Voila.
There you go.
Doesn't look bad. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Alright, so that's one done. Now we can focus on the front one. And the front one's going to be a little harder because that does not have pins. I believe some cars have little indents, and there may be a little sprung part over there that goes into this, but this doesn't have it. So this we're going to have to make sure that we have it straight when we tape it on. So let's go work on that. Alright people, we're going to just put a bunch of tape on this sucker, and we're going to mark it, because you never know. I mean, all the different BMW cars have different types of, I guess, the way that it's the label, these emblems are on, so it doesn't hurt to be safe, right? Also, it gives us something to pry on, so we don't damage the paint. But even though you have the tape there, I would still suggest putting some sort of cloth or something if you're gonna pry with like something really hard, because you also don't want to put a seam in the paint, or bend the bumper too much. So I'm just gonna work my way around here. I mean, I think that should be enough. It looks like there's a gap, which is good. So that means we can get some of the tools under there. Al, you want to get a marker and just mark that?
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're gonna work on the front. We taped it up. Al's put the little symbol on it, and we heated it with the heat gun. Tried it from the bottom. I think there's a gap in the bottom. Take your time guys if you need to use, if it's not coming up. Just work your way around. That seems to be coming.
Yeah.
Better than the rare one. The rare one was good as hell.
Yeah. It's coming. I don't want to rush it.
Yeah, take your time. You can always put a little more heat into it.
Wow, they taped
it does have the two little. This one does have two little nubs that are supposed to be there.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna do is try to get this double-sided tape off, and then we are gonna see what we need to do to get that other one to fit. Alright guys, so we got most of the double-sided tape off. We used a mixture of the heat gun with a plastic razor, and I also have this kind of adhesive remover. It's just a big rubber block. I got that off of Amazon. And it worked really well. I mean, once you got it down to where it was just the sticky stuff at the bottom, you zipped it off pretty quick. Now the question is, what do we do? Because it does kind of fit with the nubs there, but it won't let us center it. Like, it's not going to be exact like how the old one was, where it has the two holes in the back to line it up. We'll have to line it up manually, so it's a good thing Al put the mark there so we can kind of...
Oh, it's definitely thinking
right?
on
It's
it.
a little
yeah,
up.
it's riding on it.
I feel like maybe we just shave a little off of them. What do you think?
Are they plastic?
This all plastic. Oh,
yeah,
this is all...
I say take a little off.
I think
because
we're going to shave just a little off of these nubs. Just so...
right here you could see...
Yeah,
it's dancing. I can feel like it's dancing. It's barely touching, but it's definitely dancing on it.
So we'll probably just take like a millimeter off of the top of these, just so that we can get that to sit flush. So, alright guys, so we just took a little bit off of it just so that it sits flat now, and then what we'll do is we'll use that little mark there to line it up with the M. And Al's just going to lightly drop it on just so we can see if it's good, centered in the circle of the bumper. Yeah.
You want them that way, or that's good?
I don't know.
Guess what? It's sitting right there.
Well, that's where it sits now.
Yep.
That tape, that 3M,
that tape is
that
pretty
3M
damn strong.
is crazy.
Holy shit. Sorry about the cussing.
Oh, that's perfect.
Right.
I think that's it. I think that works really good.
It's good for my house.
Let's clean that off. I mean, it's a lot of rubber dust from when we were taking the glue off, but I think that looks really good. So we have the before and the after, and the same thing for the back. We have the before and the after. Alright guys, simple install, not too crazy. We ran into a little bit of an issue on the front. We needed to shave down those 2 pins so that it would fit properly. But I think it looks really good and, you know, kind of match the aesthetics that we're going for. Alright guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you guys in the next video.